Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a NFC payment terminal works in an easy step-by-step way. First of all, NFC means near-field communication. It is a short-range wireless technology that allows a payment terminal to communicate with a contactless card, smartphone, or smartwatch when it is placed very close to the reader, usually within about 4 centimeters. To begin the payment process, the merchant enters the purchase amount into the NFC Payment Terminal. The terminal screen then displays the amount, payment instructions, and transaction status for both the cashier and the customer. Next, the customer taps a contactless debit card, credit card, smartphone wallet, or smartwatch near the NFC reader. At this moment, the terminal detects the payment device and starts a secure short-range connection. After that, the NFC connection begins. The terminal reads the payment token or card details from the customer's device. This process happens very quickly and does not require the card to be swiped or inserted for normal contactless payments. Then, the payment data is encrypted. This means the customer's sensitive payment information is protected during the transaction. Instead of sending open card details, the system uses secure encrypted data and tokenization to reduce the risk of fraud. After the information is secured, the terminal sends the payment request through the payment processor or acquiring bank. This request travels through an internet or phone network and reaches the card network. Next, the card network and the issuing bank check the payment. They verify whether the card or digital wallet is valid, whether enough funds are available, and whether the transaction passes security checks. Then, the bank sends a response back to the terminal. If everything is correct, the transaction is approved. On the other hand, if there is a problem such as insufficient funds, an invalid card, or a security issue, the transaction may be declined. Finally, the transaction is completed. If approved, the terminal shows a success message, the customer receives confirmation or a receipt, and the merchant receives the payment later through the settlement process. Overall, NFC payment terminals are popular because they are fast, convenient, secure, and touch-free. They save time, reduce the need for cash, and make everyday payments easier through tap-to-pay cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Wallet, and other digital payment systems. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.